For the past 2 years, generating AI video has felt like playing a slot machine. You type a prompt, pull the lever, and hope the system spits out something remotely close to your vision. The problem shows up immediately in most models. As a character starts walking down the street, their limbs physically warp or melt into the background architecture as the AI struggles to maintain shape. You are also fighting a strict clock. Most systems hit a wall at 15 or 20 seconds, after which the image quality and physical logic deteriorate into static. Because you couldn't guarantee how a scene would look from one render to the next, serious filmmakers couldn't build a professional pipeline around it. It remained an interesting novelty, but was too unstable for a film set. Professional filmmaking requires exact timing and spatial consistency. To create a cohesive story, you need a system that responds to your intent, not one that relies on a lucky roll of the dice. ByteDance is attempting to solve this lack of control with Seedance 2.5. This model moves away from the unpredictable text-to-video systems that have defined the field so far. The previous version of Seedance was already a leader in visual quality, but this update changes the actual mechanics of how a creator interacts with the model. The focus here is on giving the user tools to dictate the exact composition and motion of the final shot before the rendering even begins. This release sets a different trajectory for the technology, moving toward a toolset designed for professional film sets rather than random internet clips. The hardest technical hurdle for any AI video model is maintaining physical logic during fast, complex movements. Seedance 2.5 is built to keep characters consistent, even through high-action fight scenes. Even when the motion is fast, the physical contact remains solid, and the characters' features don't morph into one another. The model handles these interactions by tracking the spatial relationship between moving objects and the surrounding environment, which helps keep shadows and depth consistent throughout the sequence. Stability is also maintained for longer durations. The system can now generate a continuous, stable clip for up to 30 seconds. Doubling the length of the clip changes how you can pace a scene. It allows for continuous storytelling and longer takes, instead of a series of quick 3-second flashes. To achieve this accuracy, ByteDance's multi-input architecture accepts up to 50 distinct inputs. Creators upload audio, videos, and photographs to stream into the model. For specific blocking, feed it a 3D composition or storyboard as a blueprint. The AI then maps the generation to those exact boundaries. This allows it to follow the framing of a sketch or place new environments into an existing green screen video without breaking the original perspective. Current renders are capped at 720p resolution, but ByteDance is preparing updates to support 1080p and 4K output in the coming months. This workflow moves away from simple text prompts and towards an architectural approach, where the director builds a scene using a set of deliberate frame-by-frame rules. While this level of control is high-performing, it also comes with a significant price tag. This chart shows the pricing structure. A 10-second Seedance 2.5 clip costs roughly $4.60. Compared to Minimax H3 at $1.20 for the same length, Seedance occupies a premium tier. That expense is better understood when compared to practical filmmaking. A 10-second action sequence on a live set involves actors, stunt coordinators, and insurance, often costing thousands of dollars. The model functions as a replacement for physical production, trading high computing fees for the much larger costs of hiring a human crew and securing a physical location.